Hey everybody, it's David again from Deals with David, and today I would like to talk to you about a mini PC made by a company called AWOW. Let's take a closer look. Open the box, your specifications on the mini PC, and here's the reason why it's called a mini CP. This comes already loaded with Windows 10 and it uses an Intel Celeron processor. You've got two USB ports here on the back and two HDMI outputs, so you can connect two HDMI computer monitors to this. On the side here, you've got an SD card slot, and over here, you've also got two 3.0 USB ports and a mini USB as well. Plug in your headphones for sound or continue to hook up an external sound source if you like, and simply on and off right here. And of course, it's all powered by DC voltage. Now, this has 8 GB of DDR RAM, 128 GB digital hard drive, SSD, Wi-Fi built right into it, and it has Bluetooth built right into this as well. Use this as a secondary PC or maybe a media center in your home for the kids to let them watch YouTube, but they're not surfing the net. All of the power in this tiny little mini PC made by AWOW. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy shopping.